In other court-related news, the chief executive officer of Rick's Cafe, Thomas Martin, was freed today. Mr. Martin was before the Westmoreland Parish Court on charges related to breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act following the hosting of Mocha Fest during the lockdown last year. The prosecution told the court that on May 27, 2021, the police went to Rick's Cafe and observed COVID-19 breaches. Mr. Martin's attorneys, Peter Champagny and Mr. Javid Grant, in response, argued that the prosecution had failed to make out a case.
The material time was not on the property when it is said that the breach had occurred. As a result of that, I made a no-case submission, in other words, submitted to the court that based on the sum total of the evidence, that Mr. Martin would not have had the mental element required under law to find guilty knowledge. And in those circumstances, the judge agreed with the submissions that we made on his behalf.
Mr. Champagny further questioned the decision to haul his client before the courts.
That it is my firm belief that there was an indecent haste by certain persons to pursue this prosecution, which was not really properly thought out and was not one that complied with proper procedure, and that was part of the challenge, overall challenge for the prosecution, I found. He indicated at the end of the case that he was elated, commented that the justice system worked, and that he is reaffirming his faith in the brand of Rick's Cafe, which is well known, not just locally but internationally, and is a massive asset to Jamaica insofar as the tourism sector is concerned.